spicy one. And them. You know it's a girl Tifa. Answer. Macadocious. Money, oh. Cha-ching. Yes, yes. It's Tumunga Honorable Selassie. Machine me on for the winnings every day. Cha-ching. We're fresh with 7H. I don't make sense when I talk. I make dollars. Cha-ching. I guess so nice. Whisper. I guess so. I guess so. I guess so. Sweet life like Zaka and Cody. Zaka and Cody. Zaka and Cody. Bubble, bubble, bubble like a chicken gravy. Listen, bubble, bubble, bubble like a chicken gravy. Zaka and Cody. Yes, so nice. Whisper. Yes, sir. Whoa. Bye, bye. Batch it, you. Caramel. My arm the smell. Batch it. Chow, chow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey. Wow, wow. Hey. Bad up. Bad man not take bad up. The Gorgon is back. Future Fambo. In front of me, oh! Sweet finita. Budget. Twitter. Blue. Check out my new shirt. Check out my new watch. Anything you want me, give me, gal. If I can't want to see you, me, gal. Blue. Check out my new pencil. I began singing in church. In church. At the age of 12, 8, 11, 13. My aunt, my uncle, my cousin, my brother, my father, my mother was a singer, producer, selector, backup singer. That's how I came into music. Well, you don't know. You drop out of high school. I have a degree in psychology to teach in business management in psychology. I bring something different to the table. You want to know something? Just done tour, just come off a tour now. Just finish up a new single to rock the airwaves now. Me just shoot the video for it today. Look out for it. Album will come out next 2 months. It a got turn up. Shiddly waddly widdly babbly doodly 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 whoa. Sing. Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.